Scared to find out what's up there.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe we should wear a hat just in case. It's just
Grab that. I'll need my crowbar now.
Okay, so I'm going to clean that out. Okay. Need me on this side? One board. Looks like I could reuse this trim instead of buying trim. I'll take this one off. This one's fucking done. It's all broken in the corners and shit.
What's holding that corner up? The trim?
Yeah, this trim here.
Pull that trim out. Get the hammer out. There you go. Careful, you're grabbing the siding too.
Yeah, I know, I'm just... Oh, fuck, there's this bar thing there too. Oh, it's not. Okay. Just get this one out. That one still stay there. There, now we can do the board thing, like we were trying to think. Well, it's turning out pretty good so far. Fine ass workmanship right there. That's what we got so far. Well, we got half of it done. That's it for today. It's starting to snow outside and we're cutting the wood outside and all that. So we're like, yeah, let's take a break. Besides, we're feeling it. We're feeling it, you know, in our bodies.
Not as young as I used to be.
We are feeling it. We got half the ceilings done. Took us about 3 hours. That's cutting the wood and everything else. So yeah, we're going to continue tomorrow because, wow. We're aching right now. Imagine tomorrow. That's what we got so far. Well, it's day 2 and the ceilings are done. All done. Woohoo! Now we just got to do the walls. So I don't know if I'm painting that or paneling it or what. That's what I'm doing next. But it's done. Looks a lot better. Well, it's done. This is the entranceway. Looks a lot better than it did. Way better. Well, the job is done. Me and Jay took 5 hours to do this job. The first day took a little longer than the second day. So we did half the ceiling one day and half the ceiling in the next day. We got it all done in 5 hours. Took 2 days. So the first day we did 3, the second day we did 2. So it didn't take us that long for us. I think it didn't take us that long because we're not pros. We've never done ceilings like this. Well, Jay kind of did ceilings like this before at camp with his friend, but his friend does that for a living. So this was the first time I did it, and I'm addicted to the nail gun now. I love that nail gun. But let me tell you, my shoulders, oh man, my neck, my arms, they're sore. Doing work above your head, it's really hard on the neck. I don't know how people do that for a living. I still have to do the flooring in there, the walls. I'm not too sure if I want to paint it or if I want to maybe do the same thing that I did to the ceiling to the walls. We're not sure yet, but at least the ceiling is done. The ceiling is done. Woohoo! I'm only wearing this hat backwards because, well, my hair is really messy and really sweaty, and well, if I put the hat the other way, there's a shadow and you can't see my eyes in the video. So anyways, like I said, it took us 5 hours to do it, but we did it, and whew. And to think I was gonna do those planks in my living room. Oh my gosh. Thank God I didn't. It's slow enough in the porch where I don't have to use a stool or a ladder, but I can't touch the ceiling in my living room. So I'm not going to do it in my living room. And my living room is quite bigger and it would take so long. Whew, that's something I like doing. But so here's the thing. I didn't record everything because, well, when you're working and measuring and cutting and, you know, nailing, you don't have time to kind of record at the same time. And so, yeah. How you feeling, Jay?
My lower back hurts. My hip hurts. I'm wiped.
Oh, I bet you are. I bet you are. I'm feeling it too. But we got it done.
Mm-hmm.
I'm quite happy we got it done.
Yeah, it looks good too.
Yeah. So now that's one down. That was more to go. No. There's not that much to go.
There's no more to go. No more.
Well, actually, our ceilings are almost done.
Our ceilings are done.
We got one more ceiling to paint, and that's it. Then our ceilings are done in the house.